When I first came into the station, I was, first of all, really impressed with how many different things that NewTV does. When I found out that there were all these different programs that they also sponsor as well as classes, I was kind of really shocked by that and also excited because that's amazing.
Just looking around the building was really impressed by the quality of the studio and the equipment. Everything here is state-of-the-art.
I was a little bit nervous just because I remembered how daunting some of the equipment was. Little by little, I was able to learn more of the equipment, and that kind of grew my confidence.
NewTV's internship is definitely going to be different than others. You're going to get a hands-on experience that you might not get at other television stations in the area.
This is the place where you actually can make that resume reel and get that first job. Any intern who applies for the Newton News internship must do everything.
I didn't want to be one of those interns who was getting coffee and printing papers out. I help pick the stories, I help go out into the field, I shoot the stories, interview people, I edit it together, I do the voiceover, and then I also anchor the news program.
You're the one doing all of the work. You're the one gaining the necessary skills to learn more.
You have some people who want to write, you have some people who want to edit, you have some people who want to use cameras and direct. It doesn't matter when they become an intern here because we try and teach them the whole production process.
When I was looking for internships, I started working on the folklores, doing the folklore shoots. While they were really tough, it mostly just reinforced what I wanted to do. If you're coming in here with something very narrow, you only want to do one thing, I'd say forget about that and try to do as much as you can while you're here.
We are all about teaching the community how to create a television show or a film, and interns will get that same experience here.
I taught a Photoshop class to members here. It was really my first experience teaching a course like that. I was kind of nervous just because I hadn't done anything like that before. But afterward, I was happy with everything that turned out.
So another great opportunity that NewTV offers is our scholarship program. Once a year, we will choose 2 scholarship winners who are in high school, and they get an award for creating a great program. Some of our interns in the past have won this scholarship, and it's helped them to pay for college after they are done with their internship at NewTV.
We've heard from our interns who have said, when they've gone into film school, for example, that they essentially had a leg up on their fellow classmates because they had a sense of what a production was actually like.
I keep in touch with many of my former interns, and I see them all around the country, from as far as Texas to Florida to the Midwest to here in Boston. There's one former intern who is on the national level. She is at ABC.
I've heard comments from interns where they were offered internships that have more prestige maybe in the broadcast world, but they chose the NewTV internship because it allowed them more hands-on experience.
This internship definitely exceeded my expectations because I just learned so much. I took 6 courses this semester, and I probably learned the most from my internship here.
They really push you to achieve whatever it is you're trying to reach. You can learn as much as you really wish to, and even more.
This is as good a place as any to sharpen your skills and get the experience that you're going to need to get to the next level. The opportunity has certainly been tremendous.
If I would have known about a NewTV internship or something like this, I would have taken it in a heartbeat. There's really no other place like it.
This kind of solidified what I want to do as a career. I mean, I really got all of my skills that I'm going to bring into the workplace from NewTV.
If it weren't for community media television like NewTV, I don't know I would have ended up starting in television production in the first place, because this place kind of taught me everything I know.